In the realm of appliance repair, experience has taught me that while all washers, dryers, and refrigerators have their day of breakdown, some brands are just more reliable and cost-effective when it comes to repairs. For washers, the LG WM4000H wins the race with its efficient cleaning and proven long-term dependability. Pair it with the Maytag MED 7230 HW dryer for solid performance that won't break the bank. Generally, LG and Whirlpool are your go-to for hardy washer-dryer sets. Even the best appliances will need a repair eventually. Just last week, I got a call about a Maytag dryer not heating properly. After some quick diagnosing, I determined the heating element needed replacing. I hopped on AppliancePartsPros, found the right OEM part for the model, and scheduled next-day delivery. When I returned to finish the repair, the new heating element was waiting on the doorstep. With the fast shipping from AppliancePartsPros, I was able to get the dryer working good as new again with minimal downtime for the customer. Moving on to refrigerators, LG consistently receives high marks for reliability and performance. GE and Whirlpool are also worth considering, but stay clear of Samsung. Their flashy features often come with higher repair rates. In the dishwasher department, Bosch, Whirlpool, and KitchenAid top the list for durability and straightforward fixes. The Bosch 300 series SHE53C85N stands out for its cleaning prowess and handy features at a fair price. As for ranges, while there aren't specific models to recommend, LG, GE, and Whirlpool have proven to be dependable choices across the board. Remember, the secret to a long-lasting appliance isn't just in the brand, but also in the care and maintenance.